The AI side hustles that actually work in 2025 are the ones everyone is copying. If you want to make money online without competing with thousands of other content creators, you need methods that are underground, unique, low competition, and built to scale with automation. Today, I'm going to show you 6 AI side hustles that real people are using to make between $5,000 and $20,000 a month. And you probably haven't even heard of most of them yet. So stick with me to hear all 6 because one of them will shock you. Are you ready to make money online outside of the YouTube Partner Program? I hope you are. Well, let's get right into it. Now, the first one is AI agent microservices. Here is the problem that freelancers have. They spend hours doing repetitive tasks, and at the same time, small businesses want results without paying a big agency. Here's the solution. Offer one small but valuable product and let an AI agent do most of the work for you. Here's how it works. Pick a product to deliver to a potential client or a current client, like keyword research, podcast scripts, or weekly content calendars. Use AI in addition to a tool like Zapier to automate the process from start to finish. Then do one quick human check for quality. The client gets their work on time, every time, and you get paid for something that now takes you minutes instead of hours, with the help of AI, of course. Sounds good, right? Now let's talk about Faceless AI content channels, and that's number 2. Not everyone wants to be on camera. No. If you want recurring income without becoming an influencer, try a Faceless content channel like my True Travel Treasures channel that I started. AI writes your scripts, generates your voiceovers, and even creates your visuals. The trick is picking a niche with buying power though, like software tutorials or finance explainers, and then you could batch your scripts, upload consistently, and monetize with affiliate links and your own small digital products that ChatGPT will help you to create. You're not chasing YouTube ads anymore. You're building a tiny media brand that earns every time someone clicks a link. And that is what you want. Or else you're going to be burned out and frustrated. Number 3, AI Etsy Listing Optimizer Studio. Etsy is crowded, and most sellers don't know how to write listings that actually get found. That's your opportunity. Offer a service that rewrites their titles, descriptions, and tags using AI, and even upgrades their preview images. Sellers give you their product link and a couple of competitors, and you use AI to extract by your language and regenerate optimized titles and copy. That's the description, of course. It's a simple service, but it's tangible and results driven, and you can charge per listing or for full shop tune-ups. By the way, if you're serious about making money online, you can do so also with digital products. I'll put together a 3 ebook bundle. That's a total shortcut for you. It comes with 100 profitable digital product ideas with high search volume and low competition. Then there's another ebook in the bundle, 30 websites where affiliates hang out ready to sell your products for you. So you don't even have to sell the product. And then there's a step-by-step guide to creating your digital product from scratch. I guide you step by step. I'll drop the link below, grab it, and save yourself weeks of research. Now let's continue. Number 4, no-code AI resume and cover letter builder. Job hunters waste hours tailoring their resumes and still get ghosted by prospective employers. You can solve that with a no-code web tool that rewrites resumes for specific job postings in seconds. The user pastes the job link and their resume, and the AI matches their skills to the job's requirements and produces a tailored resume and cover letter instantly. You offer a free trial, and then you charge a small monthly fee. or a one-time fee. Once it's built, your cost per user is tiny and your growth comes from the job boards and career groups sharing your tool. Number 5, vibe-coded digital products. We are back to the digital products again. Generic planners are dead. You ain't gonna do that. Vibe coding is where you create products for a specific aesthetic tribe. Think dark academia service study planners, kawaii pastel habit trackers, or minimalist black and gold business templates. People buy it because it feels like it was made for them. You know what I mean? You pick an aesthetic, you create a small collection, and you sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. When I need assets, I use Creative Fabric. It's my go-to for matching a vibe perfectly in minutes. And by the way, I have a link in the description where you can sign up for Creative Fabric and begin downloading all of these products. Every product has a commercial license, which you will receive once you sign up. It will make everything so much easier for you than building a product from scratch. That is if you want to work smarter and not harder. And if you love finding income streams like these, I also wrote an ebook with 40 plus epic ways to make money on YouTube without the program. These are strategies I use myself and they work for any niche. I'll also leave the link in the description. It's packed with ideas that most creators completely miss or don't know. Let's now talk about something you probably haven't heard about until now. Number 6, a multilingual dubbing micro agency. Creators and small brands are missing out on whole audiences in other languages. Everything is in English now. No, let's take a step back. You can start a micro agency that dubs their videos using AI voice cloning and translation. You deliver ready-to-upload versions in Spanish, Portuguese, or French, complete with localized titles and descriptions. You price it per minute with a discount for series work, and you quickly build recurring contracts for clients who want every upload in multiple languages. If you want to make money online without battling massive competition, these AI side hustles shrink the scope, automate the boring parts, and deliver results people are happy to pay for. People are looking for quick solutions. Start small, keep it simple, and build from there. Drop in the comment section which hustle you'd like to break down step by step, and I'll make it in my next video, I promise you that. But in the meantime, go watch this video on top of the screen, 7 lazy ways to make money online in 2025. You'll thank me later. Make sure to hit that notification bell though, so that you don't miss that video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And go create some videos. Download that bundle I told you about to get started. You'll thank me later. Take care now.